Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are farming pin AI, then in today's video I'll share with you a quick update regarding the airdrop. They are basically the first personal AI network. To remind you, they have already raised 10 million in funding and are backed by some top names such as 16Z, Hack Ventures and some others. So they have just recently launched a refer and earn campaign where you can invite friends and earn rewards. I'll explain everything in this video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and turn on notifications for future updates. Also make sure to join our Telegram channel for all updates. I'll provide all the links in the video description, so check them out. Now let me explain everything from scratch. First, you need to open the Ping Telegram bot. Then you need to download their app, which is available for both iPhone and Android users. So what you need to do is download the app. After that, open the app, agree to their terms and click on get started. Then this page will open in front of you. Select Telegram and connect the bot with the Pin AI app. After that, it will ask you to enter a referral code, which I'll provide in the video description. After entering the code, click on submit and you're done. Then tap on the me section. And here you will find some options such as referral program, campaign, dashboard and settings. Now tap on the referral section. Here you will find your referral code, which you can share with your friends. In the campaign section, currently, as I already mentioned, this refer and earn campaign is running. So you just need to invite as many friends as you can. In the dashboard section, you will see how much pin you have. You will also see your total Telegram bot points and your level is shown here as well. In the settings section, you can see your account details. So that's a quick update regarding the Pin AI airdrop. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like the video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.